In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact and white out text and images in a PDF with DocHub. If you've ever needed to hide private details or cleanly erase something from a PDF, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it using DocHub's built-in tools. We'll keep things simple, stay focused, and make sure your final file looks clean and professional. First, open DocHub in your browser and upload your PDF, or open a PDF that's already in your DocHub account. Give the document a moment to load fully so all the tool options appear. If you're working with sensitive content, it's a good idea to work on a copy of the file so you always have the original just in case. At the top of the editor, head to the toolbar and click the Tools tab. This is where DocHub keeps the specialized editing options. From here, choose Redact. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Whiteout, Erase, or Redact. Any of those will take you to the same place. Next, select Mark for Redaction, then pick Text and Images. This mode lets you cover anything on the page, whether it's a random paragraph or an image that needs to be hidden. Click and drag over the exact area you want to conceal. You'll see a box appear where you dragged. This is your redaction mark. If your selection isn't perfect on the first try, don't worry. You can adjust the handles to fine-tune the box, or press undo and try again. Zooming in can help you be precise around edges or small text. With your redaction area selected, open the redaction properties in sometimes called fill or shape properties. Set the fill color to white. This gives you that clean whiteout effect so the covered area blends with the page background. If there's a border showing, turn the border off or match it to white so it disappears. Repeat this for every area you want to hide, staying consistent across pages for a polished look. Once everything is marked and styled, apply the changes. In many editors, this is called apply redactions or similar. Applying will finalize the whiteout so the covered content is no longer visible. Take a quick scroll through your document to confirm everything looks right because applied redactions are typically permanent. Finally, save your work. Use Save, Export, or Download to get a new PDF with your changes. Name it clearly, choose your preferred location, and you're done. Your document now has clean whiteouts exactly where you need them.